Most pool owners don't realize this. The way you add chemicals, use tablets, or even run your pump could actually be ruining your pool water. Today I'll show you the most common mistakes that wreck pool clarity and the simple fixes that save you money and frustration. First mistake, dumping shock straight into your pool. It looks powerful, but really, the granular will sink, sit in one spot, and can bleach your liner, or leave white scars on plaster or concrete. I've even seen fiberglass pools get dual white spots from this. Quick question, have you ever seen white or faded spots on the bottom of your pool? Drop a yes or no in the comments because I'm curious how common this is. The fix, pre-dissolve shock in a bucket of water first. Stir it and then pour it evenly around the pool while the pump's running. Just 2 minutes extra, but it works faster, keeps your water balanced, and protects your surface. Another huge one, relying on only chlorine tablets. Here's the catch. Every tab adds stabilizer, or it's called CYA. And once stabilizer is too high, chlorine basically stops working, even if your test strips look fine. That's why some pools are still cloudy, even when you have chlorine. The fix? Keep an eye on stabilizer. If it's climbing too high, pause the tablets and switch to liquid chlorine until it comes back down, or rotate between the two. Use tabs for convenience, but mix in liquid chlorine so stabilizer doesn't sneak up on you. Third mistake, weak circulation. If your pump only runs for a couple hours, dead spots form in steps, corners, and shallow areas. That's exactly where algae loves to start. The fix? Run your pump at least long enough to turn your pool over once a day. And angle your returns slightly downward so the water keeps moving instead of just skimming the top. Final mistake, relying on only cheap test strips. They're fine for a quick glance, but if you really want to know what's happening in your water, you need a drop test kit. It's simple, way more accurate, and honestly saves you money on chemicals you don't even need. I'll drop a link in the description for the kit I recommend. I use these on clients' pools if I'm not using my digital tester. So let's recap. Don't dump shock raw, don't let stabilizer creep too high, don't skip circulation, and don't rely only on test strips. Do those 4 things and your water stays clear all season. Now I want to know which mistake surprised you the most. Drop it in the comments because I bet most pool owners have been burned by at least one of these. So now you know the biggest mistakes that most pool owners make, including one of the worst, dumping shock straight in. But here's the thing, in this video, I only scratched the surface on that. If you really want to know why tossing shock straight in can stain your pool and waste chlorine, I made a full video about it that breaks it down step by step and shows the right way to do it. Click right here to watch it. It'll save you money and keep your water clear. Test kits are great for your lawn. I'm at pool.